Hello, welcome to the EPI application LDS approval workflow training. My name is David Brizzi. In this training module, we will be reviewing the following topics: EPI application prerequisites, basic information about EPI, searching for a DUA, which includes exporting search results to Excel, and EPI help desk information. EPI is accessible through the CMS portal homepage. Please make sure you are using your EIDM credentials to log into the CMS portal to access EPI. The registration and role request processes are covered in a subsequent training module. Please note that all required fields in EPI are indicated with an asterisk. Also, select any question mark icon throughout the system to display field-specific help. For more information about data use agreements, use the Training Slide Decks link on the EPI homepage. This link will redirect you to the EPI information page on cms.gov. From the EPI home screen, select DUA Search under Search in the left navigation menu. Enter one or multiple criteria in the fields provided. Please note that as a DUA requester, you will only be able to search for DUAs that you are the DUA requester for within an organization. If you try to search for a DUA for any other organizations of which you do not have a requester role for, the search will return 0 results. In this example, we are entering our organization name and select it from the dropdown. Select either the search button from the lower right corner of the screen or use the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search. For the selected organization, these records were returned. The search results displays information such as DUA number, customer type, organization, project or study name, the requester's name, request date, expiration date, and the current status of the DUA. The columns remain consistent regardless of your search criteria. You can view each DUA individually by selecting the view link for that DUA. You can also select the Export Search Result to Excel button in the upper right corner of the screen to export your results. You can also use the Back to Search button in the lower left corner of the screen to enter new search criteria. Next, let's look at the Export Search Result to Excel report. Select Export Search Result to Excel in the upper right corner of the screen and indicate where you would like to save the file or if you want to open the file. These options are dependent on which web browser you are using. Similar information is provided in this export. However, you may need to view the DUA for more details, such as custodian and data file description information. Another search example would be to enter a specific DUA number. Select the Back to Search button in the lower left corner of the screen. Enter a 5-digit DUA number in the DUA number field towards the top of the screen. And start your search. You can select the view link for the DUA to view its details. If you have any questions, please contact the EPI Help Desk at 844-EPI-DUA or 844-377-3382 or via email at epi@cms.hhs.gov. They are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This concludes this training module.